Hello. Okay, now I move on to next topic is the machine independent assembler feature is expression. It's also one of the assembler feature. If you use this also, your object program will not affected. Then what is expression? The most of the assembler allows us to use of expression. Each such expression must be evaluated by the assembler to produce a single operand address or value. The expression a plus b or 1 plus 2. That is called expression. That 1 plus 2 I got answer is 3. The 3 is that value. That should be assigned to the variable. The expression are classified as either absolute expression or relative expression. Then what do you mean by relative expression and absolute? The relative expression means the beginning of the program. That means relative to the beginning of the program. The labels on instruction or data areas and reference to the location counter value are relative terms. It will always with respect to the relative value. The absolute is means independent of the program location or a constant in the absolute term. Then let me show the clarity in that. What is relative and what is absolute. See now. You come to this point. See maximum length EQ buffer end minus buffer. Buffer end is one more value and buffer is one more value. After difference that answer is what always this 1000. It will not the maximum length is not dependent on the relative address. Okay, whatever the buffer end value you get, it's fixing. Come to here. This is what buffer end EQ star. It is for relative addressing because that address is changed here. Instead of 0, it should be starting from 1000. It should be always relative to the location counter. That time it should be 2036. Then buffer end is a variable. It is a relative address, but the maximum length is a variable, but it is an absolute term. The absolute term it belongs to only the constant variable and is this relative term with respect to the counter value. If any one of these values change, it will affect it to this variable. That is called relative and one more is absolute. Absolute values is never change with respect to your program. Okay, that's when I am writing for that one. See the length reserved 1. That value is always fixed. It will not change. For that I am writing. Okay, next is absolute means the independent of the program location. It will not dependent on any of the location counter. It's always constant. It is called absolute term. Okay, note a symbol whose value is given by EQ or some other similar assembler directives may be in either an absolute term or it can be relative term depending on the expression used to define its value. Okay, next. In relative terms occur in pairs and terms in each such pairs have opposite sign. Should be one is positive, another should be negative. Like that only the relative term should be there. There is no plus plus. Then resulting expression are always will get absolute expression. None of the relative terms may enter into multiplication or division operation. That means there is no multiplication, there is no division in the both relative terms in the expression. And relative expression is one in which all the relative terms except one can be paired as described above. The remaining unpaired relative term must be have a positive sign. Always the relative term one should be positive, another should be minus. There is no multiplication, there is no division symbol for that one. Should be represented like that only. Some of the example is maximum length, EQ, buffer end minus buffer. Buffer end is also relative term, buffer is also relative term, but both are opposite sign. Then final answer should be what you get absolute term. Say represent address within the program. The expression represent absolute value. The difference between these two address. Okay, this is not buffer end plus buffer is not possible. Then one is absolute, the another one is relative. 100 is absolute and relative. This is also not possible. Or 3 into buffer represent neither absolute value nor location within the program, because such expression is very unlikely to be used and they are considered as an error. This is not always used. And to determine the type of the expression, we must keep track of types of all symbols defined in the program. For that only we are creating a symbol table. The symbol table contains the variable name and what is that type and what is that size. Each and everything should be defined. Using that you can take this, the expression can be absolute or relative term. For using that I can recognize it. For example, you see that example I am written. Symbol table, the structure is symbol table, type, value. The return address is belongs to relative address and the value of the location counter is 0030. Buffer or relative address. What is the maximum length? A00. Wherever you use this, the generate modification record in the object program for the relative value. If you need relative address, there you should be write modification record for that. You don't want this last part. Just you should, the symbol table look like this. According to that, you can use your expression. The expression have absolute and relative. The maximum will get 3 to 4 marks on this topic. Explain the concept of expression, what is types of expression, how to represent the expression, what are the different ways of expression, and what is the errors of expression, and what is the symbol table representation. For these three, for literals, symbol defining and expressions are all for machine independent assembler features.